All right, today we're going to break down a program that's built for one thing and one thing only, helping marketing pros like you absolutely conquer the crazy, complex world of marketing technology. So let's get into how it all works.
So does this question kind of hit home? I mean, you've got all the tools, right? The analytics, the CRMs, the automation platforms. Data is just pouring in from every direction. But actually turning that giant flood of info into insights you can use, well, that's the real trick, isn't it? It's a feeling I think way too many of us in marketing know all too well.
And these are the exact hurdles we're talking about. Your tools don't talk to each other, so you end up with these messy data silos. Proving to your boss that your campaigns are actually driving revenue feels like a constant battle. And trying to scale up what you're doing without the whole system just falling apart, yeah, it can feel pretty impossible. If you're nodding along right now, you are in the right place.
To get through this maze, you really need a map, a guide, and that's exactly what the Trefford program is designed to be. So in this explainer, we're going to look at how it helps you turn all those challenges into your biggest strengths.
So what is it exactly? Well, the Trefford MarTech program is this super intensive, 6-week, really hands-on journey. And just to be clear, this isn't for beginners. It's built specifically for experienced marketing pros who are ready to become the true architects of their marketing systems. To build, fine-tune, and really grow their company's entire MarTech engine.
And this isn't about just learning one piece of software. Nope. We're talking about building a complete, scalable tech stack from the ground up. You'll master automation that actually feels personal, not like some robot. And, crucially, you're going to implement the kind of tracking that finally lets you prove your impact and scale your team without all the chaos.
Okay, so let's see how this whole thing unfolds week by week. The program is set up like a progressive journey, taking you from that essential groundwork all the way up to high-level strategic operations.
Here it is, the bird's eye view. And you can see the logic here, right? You can't track what you haven't built, you can't really automate without solid tracking, and you definitely can't prove ROI without all that data in place. Each week is literally a building block for the next one, creating a really solid, comprehensive skill set.
It all kicks off in week 1 with the foundation. And this isn't just about making a list of your tools. It's about being an architect, designing a smart, efficient system. A huge piece of this, by the way, is learning how to weave AI into your stack right from the beginning for things like content and just making processes more efficient.
The process here is super practical. You literally start by auditing what you already have, and then you map out your dream setup. From there, you actually design the workflows that connect everything, finally smashing those data silos we talked about. What you walk away with is a complete MarTech stack blueprint.
By the time you get to the automation piece, this is the goal. This quote just nails the whole point of week 3. It's all about moving past those generic email blasts and creating these sophisticated, behavior-triggered journeys that feel incredibly personal and timely for every single user.
And this slide, this just says it all, doesn't it? This is the transformation that happens in week 4. You go from basically guessing which channels are working to implementing multi-touch attribution that shows you the entire customer journey. Those vague budget requests, they become confident data-backed proposals. This gives you the ammo you need to finally prove your value.
The final weeks are where you really level up into a true strategist. You're not just running campaigns anymore. You're building predictive models to find your best customers and even spot who's at risk of churning. You're also creating standard operating procedures and templates. And that is the secret sauce to scaling a team effectively.
Okay, so after all that intense work, what's the tangible result? What do you get? Well, it's not just about the knowledge you gain. It's about earning a real credential that proves your expertise.
When you complete the program, you earn the Advanced MarTech and Lifecycle Mastery Certificate, and that name is a powerful signal to employers, to your boss, to your peers, that you operate at an expert level in one of the most vital areas of modern marketing. And look, this is not a participation trophy. The requirements are tough. You have to complete hands-on projects every single week. You present a final case study. You have to pass a pretty difficult assessment and be an active participant in the live sessions. That rigor is exactly what gives this certification its weight and its credibility.
But what does all this mastery actually mean for your career? A certificate is great, but let's look at the hard numbers and the support system that helps you get there.
First off, an incredible 90% of people who start this program actually finish it. Now, in the world of online courses where completion rates are usually, well, not great, this number is a huge testament to how engaging the material is and how well the support system keeps you on track.
Next up, this one's a biggie, a full 25%. That's 1 out of every 4 graduates earns a promotion within just 6 months of finishing. This isn't some far-off, maybe someday benefit. It's a direct, fast signal that companies immediately recognize the new strategic value you bring to the table.
And finally, let's talk money. Graduates see an average salary bump of 15% within a year. So this is about way more than just learning new skills. It's a clear, measurable return on your investment that confirms just how in demand this expertise really is.
And the value doesn't just stop at week 6. The program gives you continuous support through a lifelong alumni network, advanced workshops to keep your skills razor sharp, and even ongoing career guidance. It's a resource you can tap into for years to come.
So, that brings us back to one final question. We've seen the challenges, we've walked through the step-by-step journey to mastery, and we've looked at the proven results, a total transformation. From feeling reactive to becoming a strategic architect of marketing, it's absolutely possible. The only real question left is, are you ready to build it?